Hello and good evening. Today, my name is Chris, if you didn't know that already. Good evening. My name is Chris, and today I will be talking about my works of art. We will be starting with the coffee scoops. And if you didn't know, this is what they start looking like. Then, we turn it into this. Then, we also have this one. We have the divots for a good grip when you're scooping. And then we have these. Then, we also, let's move on, we have this one. We can screw the cap on and off onto either side. Then, this one can also be a fountain tip if you want it to be. Oopsie. Then, we have the fountain pen. This is a fountain pen. It goes together magnetically. It can go together on either side. And easy to get the hang of. So, then we have the pine cone ornament. It also reminds me of dragon scales, if you can see it. This is a great thing to hang on your tree, especially if it's a pine tree. Then we have the USA Click. This one, as said in the name, is a click pen that symbolizes the US flag on the clip. Next we have the aromatherapy. It comes with 5 wicks, and to change the ink, I don't know how to do that. To change the ink, maybe it's, this is how we do the wicks. I can't remember how we change the ink. We put the wick in here. Once we unscrew it, then we screw it back on, and you'll get the scent. Next, we have the breast cancer awareness. These are special because every breast cancer pen, cancer pen we sell gives $5 to a cancer charity. Then we have the moon pen. This is one of my favorites. I really like the galaxy blank with the moon. It has all of the shades of moon. The galaxy blank looks a lot like the tip, if you can see the comparison. Then we have the Fighter. This one is one of the most unique that I know of. You press down on the helmet and twist. I don't know if this counts as a click or a twist. Maybe both. Click, click. This is a click, I think. And the end is a hose. This would be great for any firefighters in your family. Next, we have the Celtic with the Celtic knot on it. This one has a jewel on the clip, and you take out the ink to refill it by unscrewing the tip. Take a look at these ones. We have this one, Faith, Hope, Love. This is what this started as. Then we have this one, Steam Pump. The magnet. we have a click slimline. We have another breast cancer. We have a princess pen. We also have a fly fishing. I chose this blank because it looks like a lake on it, if you can see. Then we have motorcycle. This one just has a pedal you push and on to let the ink out. Then we have the train, which works pretty much like this one. And then we have dragon. This is one of my favorites too. This one is a twist and can also be turned into a fountain or a roller ball. Then we have this one, the bolt action. This one functions a lot like the motorcycle. And if you have any hunters in your family, this is a great gift for them. Then we have a Nightmare Before Christmas pen. This piece is actually a part of clay from the setup. And then let's move on to crochet hooks. Sorry, this is so messy. But we have, these are interchangeable. And then we also have the seam rippers. This can also do with the crochet hooks. You can take them out and put them back in behind so no one gets stabbed and bleeds. Hopefully no one does either way, but there's a chance. You always want to warn. And then we also have single-sided. Oh, almost forgot about these. 5 wicks I was talking about for the aromatherapy. It comes with this jar thing. Then we have, these are necklaces. We have this one, the satin nickel, I think. It's either satin nickel or chrome. This one I decided to do a teardrop pattern on. Let's just quickly. Then we have the gold, which I just made flat. And I think that's it. Thank you for coming, and I hope you buy something. Any questions?
No questions, I see.
Well, I hope to see you at my next craft fair.
Thank you.
Thank you.